Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I checked the oil in the tractor and I've cranked it up and I'm just letting it warm up. I've got a couple of holes in the driveway I got to start working on. So that's what we're going to be doing this morning. May have to stop and go get some fuel, but we'll just see how far we get. So right here is our problem spot. We got a hole right there. We come over here and we're just getting lower as we go down. And all the water runs down. And you can tell it's coming from that way as well. And it runs down. And this is the lowest spot. So, and it doesn't help that everybody that comes down my driveway treats it like a racetrack. And it just splashes more and more water, mud and water out. So what I got to do is I got to drop the teeth on my box blade and scar this up and then start filling it in. But if you don't scar it up, the next time it rains, it'll just splash right back out. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. And it's going to take me a while to get these fixed. You may have to haul in some dirt. And I need to come back with some gravel. But I don't quite have the money for that right now. So we just gonna make do with what we can. This is a two-handed job, so let me get this done and then I'll come back to you guys.